You guys remember when we were kids and we would ride in the car and we would have no seat belts on and we would stand up and just jump around all in the back of the car? They still do that in the Philippines. No seat belts, no nothing. They just run around. Nobody's worried about any kind of safety. They just cruise around. And yes, I'm driving this van. So I'm going to the resort, and we're stopping to pick up Mama, and we're gonna have dinner tonight in the resort. Irish and I are gonna spend the night in the. Thank you. Now if I wreck, I'm gonna break my neck. No, thank you. I'm good. So anyhow, we're gonna spend the night in the resort. We got Irish's two nieces and her nephew with her. We're gonna have dinner with Irish's parents, and we're gonna have dinner with Irish's elder sister and her husband, and the nanny's back there. She's hiding back there somewhere. She takes care of the kids.
This is my nanny.
Yep, there's your nanny. So Irish should be coming around here in a second. Let's pop around and watch them come. I found Irish's house, no problem. Drove straight here. Hi. Hello. You can open the door.
Hi. You can open the door. Hi. You can open. Hey, go.
Oh, I got tuna and barracuda. I got a lot of fish. I got a lot of fish. Thank you though. Irish is getting her mom. We got the neighbors coming over. Everybody's stopping to say hello. Irish's dad just came by on a bike. Pinched my nose. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Irish's nieces already love me. Oh no, you took my nose. Give it back. Give it back. I can't smell anything. Give it back. Ah, thank you. Now I can smell. Thank you.
I just drink here.
Okay. All right. So we got all kinds of food. I'm waiting for Irish and her mom to come down the hill. We can say hello to them. Everybody's looking at the white guy driving the van. It's like, who the heck is that dude? No big deal.
Everyone keeps looking at
What? I wonder why. Everyone keeps looking at me, she says. Because I'm the strange man in the strange land. That's why.
Oh no! Pinch again.
Pinch. Come on, Irish. Alright. I'm waiting on them. Here they come. Nope. That lady didn't give me a very good look. She must not like me.
Why anything Philippine is what everything? No, again.
I'll pull up so I can see. I'm sure the word's getting out.
Hey.
The foreign man is here. Come on, Irish. Come on down the hill. We're waiting for you.
Oh, what? Yeah. sila gusto nila. Kita naglila sila. Oh. Eh.
Where's she at?
No, she won't go in here.
She don't want to go? Okay, Mama, I don't want to go.
Feel well.
All right. So I guess we're going to go without Mama. I saw your dad go by on the motorcycle.
Video.
All right.
My nieces. This is
Bye-bye.
my nieces. And my nephew in the back. My sister. That's my sister. You saw my sister?
I saw her. Is she going?
Dishame!
You got to roll your window down, honey.
Dishame! Sakay are! Let's go.
What?
You have to be recording while you're driving.
What?
You have to be recording while you drive.
That's probably not a good idea.
Yeah, put the camera there.
No. We're not going to put the camera in there. Who's this lady walking toward us?
I don't know.
She gave me a dirty look when she came walking down here. Is your sister going?
Dishame! Di ka mo sakay? Apa sa ato niya? Let's go.
She don't want to go? All right, we're going to go. Bye-bye. See you later. Mama ain't coming.